Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Lauren here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to weave in the ends on your Crochet Colorwork project. It's a question I've gotten a few times recently, and it's actually really easy to do, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to need a tapestry or yarn needle. And the first thing we're going to do is make sure we have all of our loose ends on the same side. You can see I've got two on this side, two on this side. Now this is the wrong side of the work, so I'm going to thread these two into the back. I'm going to use a yarn needle to do that, but you could use a crochet hook if you've got a small one that will fit through the gaps. So we're just going to put that one through to the back and the other one, because we want to make sure that we're weaving in all of our ends on the same side. So now that I've got all of the ends on the same side, I'm going to start weaving them in. Now I've got this green yarn to begin with, so I need to weave it under some of these green stitches. Now, on the row where I ended, I've only got one green stitch, and that's not enough. So I'm going to move it down a few rows, just going under the stitches, like so. Hopefully you can see that, it's not too dark. I'm making sure it's not poking through on the other side, which it isn't, so that's great. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work under the posts of these stitches here. So I'm going to start and I'm going to go under, I've got 4 stitches there, I think. It's a bit tight to pull through. And make sure that's nice and tight, but don't pull it too much because that'll bunch up the fabric. And we want to work back again under the stitches on that row. So we're going to miss this first bar that we've worked under and go under the next one. And I'm actually going to go a bit further than those first 3 stitches. I'm going to do an extra one. You want to make sure you're weaving under about 4 or 5 stitches really. Okay, so we've passed through twice. We've gone once that way and we've gone back the other way. And we want to do it one more time to make sure it's completely secure. Always make sure you work in 3 directions when you're weaving in an end. Once you've gone under 3 times, you can take your needle off and just cut the yarn. And that's it. That's how you weave in an end. Not a lot to it, quite easy. I'm going to finish up these 3 yarns and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's done. So I'm all done weaving in my ends. This is the right side of the project, and as you can see, none of the ends are visible on this side. And if we turn it over to the wrong side, they're still pretty hard to see, to be honest. Maybe you can see this one here and this one down here, but it hides them really well. And going back and forth 3 times, make sure they are not going to come undone no matter what. Now, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for crochet colorwork projects, check out this video here where I share my top 5 graph gan tips, including how to keep track of charts like this one when you're working. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.